I just mentioned about your exposure to UK and India, making your position very unique. Are you seeing a trend, observing some changes in the Indian scenario?
First of all, counseling is not our cultural thing. This is a Western approach again. This came from after the Second World War and all that. This came more a need. So they have a theory based on Western approach. I have my own community clients as well. So when I see my clients, I need to have the both balance approach to do that. When you're asking the Indian community people, they are coming for the counseling means that the counselor, whoever doing that, they have to have balanced approach. Because it's a spirituality, a lot of stuff in India we have. So we can't just straight put that from West. We need to modify for ourselves.